Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Another quick video now about Bitcoin. Now, I did a couple of videos last week talking about Bitcoin potentially going up to 150k in October, where we are now at the end, by the end of October this month. Also, as a lot of people said, it's going to go up to about 160, 163, 65 grand. October, early November. Now, it's not unachievable. There's also a lot of speculation that it's going to hit 300k in the first quarter of next year, and this isn't the normal waffle that you get with investors trying to push the price up or down. This has come from reliable sources. Some of the top crypto websites out there are saying that, predicting that this is going to happen. But a lot of people are messaging me saying, but it's gone down to 110 grand. What are you talking about? You don't know what you're talking about. Of course, whenever Bitcoin takes a massive spike, let alone an all-time high, which it did the other day, 126 grand, there's always a low afterwards, because a lot of people are cashing out. There's a lot of people that when it hits an all-time high, panic, think maybe it's not going to go higher. Even so, cash it out, that brings the price down, buy it all back up. So people, whenever there's a high, especially an all-time high, the price always drops afterwards, always, because you get a lot of people cashing out. Also, as well, there has been a dormant wallet that has moved 2,000 bitcoins, approximately $222 million worth of Bitcoin, to a different address. Now, because that is such a vast amount and it's from a dormant wallet, obviously people get a bit jumpy, people start selling. Whenever you get, obviously with it all being very transparent, whenever you get something like that happen, it creates a lot of squeaky bums and people start selling. But once that sorts itself out, it will go back up. It always does. But whenever there's an all-time high, or whenever Bitcoin takes a massive spike up, afterwards there is always a drop for a while, because, like I said, people are cashing out. You imagine you had a load of Bitcoin that you brought when it was, say, a couple of grand a coin, and now it's at 126 grand, and you think, oh, fuck me, that's a nice bit of profit, I'll sell that. Then wait for the price to go down like it always does, buy it all back up, and that's what's happened. So yeah, it always goes down. So don't worry about it. The fact what are we at now? It's at 111,655 as we speak now. So yeah, there's always a bit of a lull, should we say, after a high. So it's only normal. So don't worry about it. Keep your eyes on it. But what they were saying basically is that Bitcoin is about a month after gold. So when gold has a high, then Bitcoin follows about a month after. So they were saying about 4 months. So yeah, early part of next year they reckon 300 grand. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. But yeah, don't worry. To all those people that are messaging me saying, "Oh, what are you talking about? What where's the 150 grand?" Don't worry, hang on in there. I mean, obviously these things can change. You never know what's going to happen in the world. Things can change. But at the minute, there's a bit of a high going on in the world. This whole Gaza thing and everything, which is so there's a bit of where it's been a bit of a shitty time. People are starting to feel good. Also, Christmas is coming, and yeah, so there's a lot of good feeling around. But yeah. I'm still confident it's going to hit 150k by the end of the month, early November maybe, at the worst December. But yeah, I'm confident with it. But yeah, there's always a lull after always a drop in price after a high. So don't worry about that. Don't panic. I mean, obviously things can change. The whales are the ones that make the big movements, or if something massive happens in the world. But yeah, all I can say is I'm not worried. I'm confident it's going to go up. Like I said, it'll go down for a bit whilst people are selling. Obviously, you get that knock-on effect where it goes down, and then other people start to panic and sell, which carries on bringing the price down. But once it sorts itself out, people realise there's nothing to worry about. It'll creep back up, and then yeah, normally when there are predictions like this, I mean, I'm not talking about when you get people that, like investors and stuff, that put a rumour out just because they want to push the price up or push the price down. I'm not talking about that. This has come from reliable sources. A lot of sources that are very well known in the industry, in the crypto world, are saying this through what they're watching and what's going on and stuff like that. So don't worry. I'm still confident. I'm not bailing out. I'm still confident it's going to hit the 150 grand mark. But we'll see what happens. But all I'm saying is, to all those people that message me, don't worry. Yeah, it always takes a little low after a high. But yeah, keep on it. As you can see here, it's all in the red. But yeah, I wouldn't worry. I wouldn't worry. Hold on to it is all I can say. Anyway, just a quick little video just to clear that up, as I say, I'm getting a lot of comments and a lot of messages about it. So don't panic, Mr. Mandarin. Anyway, yeah, hold on to your Bitcoin, keep onto it. That's what I would say. It's going to go up soon, but you know, always keep your eye out. So I'll keep a close eye on CoinMarketCap, Cointelegraph. You know, for all the latest news. But I'm sure you've all got your own sources. Anyway, yeah, just a quick little video for all those non-believers that are panicking. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's only a short little video. Check out my previous video on IQ-Cent. Had a nice little day's trading today. Just change of direction, and I saw it right. I was lucky, if I'm honest, with a couple of trades because the direction had changed, and I was still going in the upward direction, but I called it on a spike, so I was lucky. And then the rest of the trades as the direction changed. But a good little video to get an idea for what happens when directions change. So check that out. And yeah, and I'll be back with you soon. Stay safe. Yeah, keep an eye on Bitcoin, and I'll be back with you soon. Thank you.